Guess what I got today? Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host and forever on this channel. If you're me being here, playing with Sharon, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey pang up. Let's dive into today's video. Wow, it's 9 minutes past 7. I just got off work. I'm about to shower, but before I shower, let me show you guys what I got. This is a not now. No, don't do that. You're scratching me, man. I got this from House of Leather. It was 500 bob. It's both sides. It's a mirror. What? It's a mirror on both sides. What did I just say? What? Then I also got come on. I also got these straws and washing thingy. This was 150. This was 500. And also I got this for my friend. Yeah, why are you scratching me, man? I got this for my friend because he has, key holder. And last but not least, I finally allowed myself to indulge and buy myself a drum roll. Oh my gosh, a pull-up bar. Okay, so pull-up bar. Yeah, well, I think that is all. Now I need to figure out how to put it on the wall so I can start pulling up. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be this small, to be honest. I was thinking it's going to be like really humongous. Meow. I'll beat you, man. Oh no. This pot is right here. Okay. So how does it work now? So this is how it works. You pull it according to the size of your door, both ways of course. Then you okay. So I did it Friday, by the way. I bought something. Let me show you. But first, let's wipe my face and the soap. The mirror here. My mirror. skincare, but your skin doesn't care. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. Drum roll. I will not lie, I have in fact already opened them and judged them. I was like, let me charge them at work because I can't use them at work, so that when I get home I can only wear them. See how cute they look. The charger and the what's this? What do you call this? Earphone jack? Something jack. And also the manual and the headphone. Amazing. They look like Air Maxes. Air Maxes. I don't know if that's what they're called. Haitaki kutoka bwana. I want to connect them to my laptop. So, and I want let me check if Bluetooth is on. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It don't matter. They look super confused. See? And they retract. Okay. Let me stop doing that. It's open. I feel like this one is slowly sliding. Oh my god, I can hear myself. Oops. I hope you don't fall. Okay, we're on Spotify already. Okay, the manual says, I don't know which is which. Don't do finger stuff, yo. Also, it can be connected to 2 devices at once. How cool is that? Oh, it's this one that's near the volume buttons. Wow. Okay, let's put them here. Hopefully they do. Oh my gosh, hopefully you can hear them. Oh no. Oh no. Let me. Can you see them here? Okay. Okay. I feel like I'm overreacting, but that's beside the point. Just to make a wimbo to ski. What song do I put? What song do I listen to first? This one, period. you hear it? Because I can hear it. Yes, of the potion, and I won't forget what he's done. Every time I look up, I see God's faithfulness. King of kings, Lord of lords, he has his door. To the poor, all are welcome through the door. Oh, I didn't show you. Damn legend. Every woman that is free from addiction. This my, this my wife, this my life. The God, period. That's what God. Yeah. They're they're really good, really, really good. Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Was it the lengthen? Like, huh? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I have my. Alright. But how does it look like that though? I can't hear you. I have my. Alright, my headphones on. This month na nimejibaiya vitu though. I said it's now or never. Literally. So this. Okay, let me do a tour. Headphone tour. So this is the cushion that goes above your head. Really big. How do I show you guys? Really spongy. Really spongy. The cushions, nice. They fold like this. They don't stay like this like all the time. You can do this. You can fold them like that. They retract. They lengthen as well. Yeah, anyway. So you have the to be honest, I either this one. As I was saying, either this one or this one. Don't even see it. Either one of those is the microphone. Then have the volume up button, volume down button, the power button, slash pause, slash answer call, slash resume playing. I think this what's this? What's this? And what does it do? I don't really check the instructions, by the way. This one, it's written M, then you can see it. I hope you can see it. The multifunction button, voice assistant slash game mode switch slash reset, as in reset to factory settings. Then this is the 3.5 millimeters aux input. Then the type C charging port, obviously the status indicator, you can see it's lighting, come on, it's lighting green, yeah, that. And this, no, this is the microphone, this one right here, no, this one right here. So I have no idea what these are, because on both sides, like on the left thingy and the right thingy. Yeah, and that's my headphones, and that's the two of my headphones, and the charger, the aux, like the aux, okay, the aux cable, the manual, and the box it came in. And this also, no, which is also from Rima, and I love the quality of it because I can use it for like 2 entire weeks on a single charge. Single charge, yes, on a single charge, yes. I was like, you know what? I mean, I know I have other headphones, but these are like broken. You see? But let me show you. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know? Ngakauza tese dingine jamani. How would they know? How would they know? Exactly. I think I should put this ones here because they work. Actually, they do work. Actually, it's just that they're a little bit broken. It's got wabi sabi. Yeah, I don't know if it's too big. It's too big. But it's okay. Either way, I have new headphones, new. Oh no, you're going to fall. Mirror, new pull-up bar. Yes. And also, I want to buy cleanser. I know skincare, but skin doesn't care. But I only have one skin, bro. I have to take every tape away, whether it cares or not. What am I supposed to do? Yeah. So yeah, that's it for our time together today. Oh no, it's broken. It's got wabi sabi. Okay, it's okay. I think I should watch a movie now. Money, but I don't know which movie to watch. Let me get ready for bed, then I'll watch a movie. Yeah, as I also sleep. Tomorrow I'm not going to work. Tomorrow is Saturday, but it's month end. I will not be going to work tomorrow. However, I will be going to work on Sunday. Let me say Saturday. On Sunday. Also, sorry. On the box, have this endless beats all day long because apparently it's okay. 65-hour long playtime. 360 sound 360 special audio, spatial, not special, spatial. Clear voice in calls, dual device connectivity. Charge 10 minutes, play 360 minutes. I mean, I feel like it's a bit of a stretch, but we'll see. Foldable and retractable design. And yeah. And has a 365 days warranty from Oraimo because I bought them from Oraimo. So yeah. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I was saying I wanted to get ready for bed so I can sleep as I watch a movie.
3 little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Surprise! Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change, the more I say, ooh, don't you hesitate. Put your records on, tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down.
I'm so tired. Sunday. Yay. Anyway, it's Sunday and it's 10 minutes to 6. Just got off work. Yeah. I know. Let's take some milk. I'm so tired. My God, I wanna cry. It's coffee. Amazing. That's why I cannot complain about the food on my plate. My goodness, to eat, you know? I didn't even plan on like kukunywa polepole so that I can savor the taste. What? You know what I should do? Oh, let me see. So you. Let me show you what else I got. Yeah, I hope. Morning cereal. Chocolate, and Oreo. I feel stressed. I feel like I'm stressed eating. But this one was the one that's covered with chocolate all around. Oh. But that's small. Couldn't make I could put my chocolate. I need to shower, fold my laundry, and sleep. I should go put the culture here when they didn't. Nisha. I am stress eating, right? I think I am, man. Anyway, I'll go shower now. Oh, my lips are pink. You know what I should do? I've noticed that on Friday I was looking for pimple patches because I realized I'm picking my pimples, literally my acne. Yeah. So I was like, I should buy pimple patches so I stop picking. Then today I got this great idea. When I had nails on, yeah, I wasn't picking my skin because I physically couldn't. peak, you know. How about I just get nails done? My nails done, you know. It will fix the peaking skin issue, and it will also be like so demure, yeah, now. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. Yeah. Do I look fucking here? Ah, milk chocolate with mint flavored granules. Why are the granules, man? The granules are non-existent. It's just sugar in here, man. Wrong over. It's fine. I'll go shower now. Come for my laundry, then sleep. Because I feel like I want to cry for some reason. I just don't know why. I don't know why I'm stressed, but I don't know about what. There's an impending doom or cloud of stress that is hovering over me, and I just don't know why. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching my very, unboxing headphones video. No headphones, but like unboxing stuff video. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh my god.